This Diamond Realty and Associates property video is presented by Mindy Wardlaw. See this gorgeous Roosevelt F plan with a wide open floor plan and tons of bells and whistles that make this home shine. Light and bright with lots of light and an open living plan. Large living for relaxing with the family and friends, opening to kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances complete with gas cooktop for the chef, lots of cabinets with beautiful hardware, crown moldings throughout the living room, and cased windows. Blinds throughout, so all you have to do and move in. Pool, trail, fishing lake, playground, soccer fields, and more make Legacy a popular subdivision, less than 2 miles from the Legacy Elementary. This is a rare find and sure to go fast. For more information, review the details below.